A Walmart credit card verification failure usually means the system couldn't confirm your identity, verify your personal information, or complete a security check with the card issuer. The fastest fix is finding out which part of the verification process is failing. By the end, you'll know the most common causes of Walmart credit card verification errors and the steps that usually resolve them. Start by reviewing the information you entered. Check that your full legal name, date of birth, social security number, if requested, phone number, and billing address exactly match the information associated with your credit card account. Even a small typo can cause the verification to fail. Next, verify your phone number and email address. If you're waiting for a one-time verification code, make sure your phone can receive text messages and has a reliable signal. Don't request multiple codes, one after another, because each new request usually invalidates the previous one. Wait a few minutes, then use the newest code as soon as it arrives. Now check your internet connection. Complete the verification using stable Wi-Fi or reliable mobile data. If you're connected through a VPN or proxy, disconnect it temporarily because some security systems may block verification attempts from unfamiliar network locations. The next step is updating the Walmart app or refreshing your browser. Install the latest version of the Walmart app from the App Store or Google Play Store. If you're using the Walmart website, clear your browser's cache and cookies, or try another supported browser to rule out browser-related issues. If you're verifying a newly approved Walmart credit card, remember that account activation and identity verification are separate steps. Make sure you've completed any activation instructions provided by the card issuer before attempting to add or use the card. If your bank or card issuer has placed a temporary security hold on the account, verification may fail until the hold is cleared. Contact the number on the back of your card if you suspect the issuer blocked the request for fraud prevention. If everything appears correct but verification still doesn't work, the issue could be temporary maintenance or a server-side problem. Waiting and trying again later can sometimes resolve issues that aren't related to your account. If the problem continues, contact Walmart Customer Care or the customer service team for your Walmart credit card issuer. They can review your account, identify the reason for the failed verification, and explain whether additional documentation or identity confirmation is required. To recap, confirm your personal information, verify your phone number, update the app or browser, check with your card issuer, and contact support if the verification still fails. If this guide helped you fix your Walmart credit card verification problem, like the video and subscribe for more payment app troubleshooting guides and tech tips.